Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome back to a new video and your daily Bitcoin update, of course. We'll do a full update. There's enough to talk about. I mean, yesterday we again got a lot of bullish momentum over the course of today. We got some major bullish breakouts, but today is Friday, and if you don't know, then now you do, that Friday is usually a very volatile day, and sometimes it can go against the trend. All right, I have seen that more often in the last months. And what we're seeing right now as well for Bitcoin is that it did get a major bullish breakout. First of all, above the 0.5 fib, and then also a minor bullish breakout above the 200 EMA right there. But it also broke down below the 200 EMA again, respected it as a resistance, and now the big question is will we continue this bullish momentum or will we see some sort of a pullback? So that's what we'll talk about. We'll do a full update on that. We'll talk about the technicals, we'll talk about the fundamentals, everything I think you need to know. But before we do that though, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, which you can see right here on cilinix.com. If you want to join that, if you want to see my trades, check out a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable as well, and my trading guide all in one. Check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get into Bitcoin. So overall, what we're seeing for Bitcoin right now, and I actually wanted to take a look at some other statistics which I thought were useful, is the following. All right, so over the last couple of days, volume for Bitcoin has been high, but it hasn't been growing. Like as you can see, since like Wednesday evening, it hasn't been growing. So that's 1.5 days ago. Then the amount of positions is growing, and it has been steadily growing since Monday. So what does that mean? That means that at this point of time, a lot of positions are open, but the volume is dropping down. So that creates the opportunity, that creates the best circumstances for volatility. All right, so I do think we're going to get volatility today. Which way that volatility will be it be bullish, will it be bearish? We don't know. That's what we'll talk about. Now, fundamentally, I would say that Bitcoin is bearish. Yesterday, we got some more economic news, and it's looking more and more like the interest rates actually need to be higher for a longer period of time, which is bearish for Bitcoin. And then on the other hand, like the ETF proposals are coming up in October, but right now that's not really happening, and there's nothing really happening around that sphere. Nothing much, at least. I mean, obviously things are happening behind the scenes, but still. And then September is also historically quite a bearish month, and so far that actually has not been the case. It's been quite neutral, I would say. But all of that together leads me to believe that I think it's a bit more likely to expect a pullback here. But in the end, the best thing to do is to wait for some sort of technical confirmation. All right, so right now, Bitcoin is very much stuck here between 26,400, which it broke above yesterday, which is our main support now, and this major resistance right here around the 0.618 fib, let's say just below 27,000. So what I think we're going to see today with the amazing climate for volatility is a breakout out of one of these two levels. Which one of those, like I said, I would say it's a bit more likely to see a pullback and to see it drop down towards 26,200, take that bearish break retest, and then drop back down towards that 25,700 level. But on the other hand, it's also like Bitcoin has been very strong the last 2-3 days. All right, so it's still a possibility. And like I said, it's best to just wait for confirmation that Bitcoin is able to get that bullish breakout here, break above 26,950 to be precise, and then get that bullish breakout and rally up to these levels right here around 27,600. So it's really waiting for confirmation for now. Given the fundamentals, I would say it's a bit more likely to see bearish momentum and a bearish breakout, but in the end your best friend is confirmation, so I would wait for that. But for now, that's my full thoughts on Bitcoin. If you do have any questions, and by the way, I do want to check if we have any economic events today. Not really. All right, so that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know, but for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.